Utilizing the Facestudio is a straightforward and intuitive process. You begin by inputting specific demographic attributes according to your preference or requirements. These include factors like gender, age, and ethnicity, amongst others. Our AI-powered platform integrates these multiple inputs to generate a realistic human face. The technology underpinning our software is advanced and cutting-edge. It ensures that the generated faces not only meet your specified criteria, but also maintain an impressive level of photorealism. That's not all. In addition to generating faces, the same technology also guarantees uniqueness in every image, so you don't have to worry about seeing repetitive or similar faces over and over again. In addition to individual face generation, Facestudio also offers a powerful batch generation tool. This feature allows you to generate large numbers of faces simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Simply specify the desired demographics for each group, and Facestudio will generate a batch of unique faces that meet your requirements.